Do you have old bananas in your house? If you have the habit of throwing away, you are missing out on an excellent recipe. I'm going to show you now an amazing recipe that will surely surprise you and everyone in your house. Before I teach you how to do it, I really want to know where you are watching this video from. Here's the thing, guys, here I have 3 bananas. They are very mature. I let it get to that point to show you. And in this heat, it ends up happening very fast. When it happens to yours, don't throw it away. Peel the bananas and cut them into slices. Now let's put the ingredients into the blender. Place the sliced bananas. Then add 200 grams of sour cream. Now I'm going to add half a can of condensed milk. If you are going to use a box, it will also be half a box. Remembering that you can double the amount of the recipe, no problem, just double the ingredients. And I added half a cup of powdered milk. Whisk these ingredients very well for 5 minutes. This recipe will surprise a lot of people. Now, get a container. It can be plastic or glass, whatever. Add the mixture to the container. If the container doesn't have a lid, put plastic wrap. Place in the freezer for at least 6 hours. 6 hours later, this is the result. A delicious banana ice cream. In the heat, there's nothing better. I finished with a chocolate cream, but you choose, or you can leave it like that, which is perfect too. Guys, I would like to pass on a reflection that is in Psalms chapter 91 verse 16. Long life will I give you, and I will show you my salvation. Since the Lord created us, He is also our protector and provider. In this passage, He explains that as long as we live according to His plans, He will take care of us. The Lord will be our Savior and our source of provision, and that we are safe under His protective wings for as long as we live. Hope you liked the video. Until the next. Bye bye.